So to change out a tub drain, it's required to, basically I already unscrewed this, but it's just one screw that you unscrew here and take that piece off and then replace it with the new one. To remove this, you need to unscrew this piece here, and sometimes you need to put a wrench on it, and what happens is the whole thing spins, so you gotta lift this thing up, and then you gotta find something that's a wrench or a pair of pliers that are real thin. Like I got some that are real narrow, because anything that's wide, something like these, they probably won't get under there. So I found these that are pretty narrow, and you can grab it underneath here and then get some channel locks to loosen this, but it's loose already, so I don't have to do it. Then you push this down and then you loosen this one. Alright, so now that's out. And so the last thing you need to do is you either need to get a pair of pliers. Some people use pliers and they stick them down in this hole. There's 4. If you look down in here, it's like a cross in there. And you either need to get the special tool, which I have because I've had to do this before. So I've got this tool that you can get at the hardware store or plumbers, and it basically gives you 2 different options depending on the size. This fits down in there, and then you put a wrench on this. Or if you don't, you can put a pair of pliers down in there. I've seen people do that. But since I got the actual tool, I'm going to go ahead and use it. And then you use a crescent wrench. Alright, and so that's it. That comes up. So you need to clean off this putty. Try not to get it down in the hole. I mean, it will disintegrate, but I don't want it. I'm on a septic, so I don't necessarily want it going into the sewer. So the next step is to get some plumber's putty and roll out a string of it and wrap it around. And I do a generous amount. That may seem like a lot, and it is, but it'll squeeze out. So it looks like that, and then you stick it down in there and you thread it. area that's a half circle that's lets water come in from the bottom. I want to make sure that that's facing down. And then you screw it into place. So you just spin on me. Or spun. You just spun on me. We'll have to move it around. Tighten that up. Just like that. And that looks good. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and you'll get updates as soon as I post new videos.